What is meditation? At its core, meditation is the practice of focusing the mind to cultivate awareness and achieve mental clarity. It involves training the mind to maintain attention on a specific object, thought, or activity such as the breath, a mantra, or simply the present moment. The objective is to calm the incessant stream of thoughts and emotions that often cloud our consciousness. However, meditation is not merely about silencing the mind. It's about learning to observe the thoughts without becoming attached to them. It's a process of cultivating mindfulness, a state of heightened awareness where we learn to live in the present moment, free from judgment and attachment. There are countless forms of meditation, each with its unique techniques and philosophies. Some focus on mindfulness and awareness, while others emphasize concentration, loving-kindness, or spiritual contemplation. But at its heart, meditation serves as a tool for personal transformation, leading individuals to a deeper understanding of themselves and their relationship with the world around them. Origins of meditation, tracing the roots. Meditation has existed for thousands of years, with its origins deeply intertwined with ancient spiritual and religious practices. It is believed to have emerged in early human civilizations as a method to connect with higher realms, seek guidance, and cultivate inner peace. Indus Valley Civilization, circa 3000 BCE. Archaeological evidence suggests that meditation-like practices may have been used by the inhabitants of the Indus Valley Civilization in ancient India. Seals depicting figures sitting in meditative postures have been uncovered, pointing to the early roots of what would later become the spiritual and yogic traditions of India. Vedic traditions and Hinduism. Meditation as we know it today likely took shape within the Vedic traditions of ancient India, particularly through the teachings found in the Upanishads, circa 800-200 BCE. The Upanishads introduced concepts like dhyana, meditation, samadhi, absorption, and moksha, liberation, which became central to Hindu philosophy. Meditation was practiced as a means to unite with the divine, achieve self-realization, and transcend the material world. Buddhism, circa 500 BCE. One of the most significant developments in the history of meditation occurred with the teachings of Siddhartha Gautama, who became known as the Buddha. After years of searching for enlightenment, the Buddha attained nirvana through deep meditation under the Bodhi tree. His teachings emphasized the practice of mindfulness, sati, and concentration, samadhi, as essential steps on the path to liberation from suffering. Meditation became a central tenet of Buddhist practice, spreading across Asia over the centuries. Taoism, circa 500 BCE. In ancient China, meditation also played a key role in the development of Taoism, a philosophy and spiritual tradition that emphasizes living in harmony with the Tao, or the fundamental nature of the universe. Taoist meditation practices often focused on breath control, visualization, and inner reflection as a way to cultivate spiritual power and align oneself with the natural flow of life. Christian mysticism, circa 1st century CE. In the West, meditation practices emerged in early Christianity, particularly among the Desert Fathers, Christian hermits who lived in the deserts of Egypt. They engaged in contemplative prayer and meditation as a way to deepen their relationship with God and experience divine grace. Over time, Christian mysticism developed meditative practices like Lectio Divina, divine reading, and contemplative prayer, focusing on silence, reflection, and communion with the divine. Sufism, circa 8th century CE. Sufism, the mystical branch of Islam, also embraced meditation as a means of seeking divine connection. Sufi practices like dhikr, remembrance, involve the repetition of God's names or phrases in a meditative state, allowing practitioners to experience unity with the divine and transcend worldly concerns. Zen Buddhism, circa 6th century CE. Zen, a school of Mahayana Buddhism that emerged in China and Japan, places a strong emphasis on meditation, particularly the practice of zazen, seated meditation. Zen meditation focuses on direct experience and intuitive insight, rather than intellectual understanding. Practitioners sit in stillness, observing their thoughts without attachment, and cultivating a deep sense of awareness and presence. The evolution of meditation, from spiritual practice to modern mindfulness. As centuries passed, meditation evolved from a purely spiritual or religious practice to something much broader. While its roots remain deeply spiritual, meditation today has taken on new forms and meanings, particularly in the West, where it has been embraced as a secular practice for mental health and personal well-being. Transmission to the West. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, interest in Eastern philosophies and meditation practices began to grow in the West. Influential figures like Swami Vivekananda and Paramahansa Yogananda brought Hindu teachings and meditation techniques to Europe and America, introducing Western audiences to the concepts of yoga and meditation. Scientific exploration. In the 1960s and 1970s, the scientific community began to take a keen interest in meditation. Researchers like Dr. Herbert Benson explored the physiological and psychological effects of meditation, leading to the popularization of techniques like transcendental meditation, TM, in the West. Studies revealed that meditation could reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and promote overall well-being. Mindfulness revolution. In the 1980s, John Kabat-Zinn, an American professor of medicine, developed mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR, a secular program that adapted traditional Buddhist meditation techniques for a clinical setting. Kabat-Zinn's work helped to launch the modern mindfulness movement, which emphasizes the practice of present moment awareness as a tool for reducing stress, improving mental health, and enhancing quality of life. Mainstream adoption. Today, meditation and mindfulness are mainstream practices embraced by millions around the world. They are used in schools, hospitals, workplaces, and even prisons as tools for promoting mental health, emotional well-being, and overall resilience. Apps like Headspace and Calm have made meditation accessible to anyone with a smartphone, and meditation retreats are more popular than ever. Mystical anecdotes and stories from the meditation tradition. Throughout history, meditation has been associated with mystical experiences and profound insights. Some of these stories have become legendary, highlighting the transformative power of meditation and the deep wisdom that it can reveal. The Buddha's enlightenment. One of the most famous stories of meditation comes from the life of Siddhartha Gautama, the Buddha. After years of searching for enlightenment, the Buddha sat beneath the Bodhi tree, vowing not to rise until he had found the truth. For days, he meditated, facing temptations and challenges from the demon Mara, who tried to disrupt his concentration. But the Buddha remained steadfast, and on the morning of the seventh day, he attained enlightenment, realizing the nature of suffering and the path to liberation. This story illustrates the power of meditation to unlock profound spiritual truths and overcome inner obstacles. The story of Milarepa. Milarepa, one of Tibet's most revered yogis, is known for his incredible dedication to meditation. According to legend, Milarepa spent years in solitary retreat, meditating in caves high in the Himalayas. He endured extreme conditions, living off of nettle soup, which turned his skin green. Through his perseverance, Milarepa achieved great spiritual power and enlightenment, becoming a symbol of the transformative potential of meditation and the rewards of unwavering commitment. Ryokan's lantern. In Japan, there is a well-known Zen story about Ryokan, a Zen master known for his simplicity and kindness. One night, Ryokan was visited by a thief who broke into his hut hoping to steal something valuable. However, Ryokan had nothing of value to give. Instead, he offered the thief his blanket, saying, "You've come a long way to visit me, and you should not leave empty-handed." The thief, confused, took the blanket and left. Later, Ryokan gazed at the moon outside his window and remarked, "Poor fellow. I wish I could have given him this beautiful moon." This story reflects the deep compassion and non-attachment that meditation can cultivate, as well as the ability to find beauty and generosity in even the simplest moments. The benefits of meditation, a modern perspective. In the modern world, meditation has gained widespread recognition for its numerous mental, emotional, and physical benefits. While it was traditionally practiced for spiritual awakening, today, meditation is used as a powerful tool for improving overall well-being. Stress reduction. One of the most well-known benefits of meditation is its ability to reduce stress. By focusing on the present moment and calming the mind, meditation helps to lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and promote relaxation. Emotional health. Regular meditation can improve emotional well-being by fostering self-awareness, reducing anxiety, and cultivating positive emotions like compassion and empathy. It helps individuals to manage difficult emotions more effectively and develop a greater sense of inner peace. Improved concentration. Meditation enhances focus and concentration by training the mind to stay present. This is particularly valuable in our modern, distraction-filled world, where the ability to concentrate is often compromised by constant multitasking and information overload. Physical health. Meditation has been shown to have a positive impact on physical health as well. It can lower blood pressure, improve sleep quality, and boost the immune system. Studies have also found that meditation may reduce the risk of heart disease and promote longevity, self-awareness, and personal growth. Perhaps one of the most profound benefits of meditation is its ability to deepen self-awareness. By turning inward and observing the workings of the mind, individuals can gain greater insight into their thoughts, behaviors, and patterns. This self-awareness can lead to personal growth, transformation, and a more fulfilling life. Conclusion: the timeless wisdom of meditation. Meditation is not just a practice, it is a journey within. It invites us to explore the depths of our own minds, to discover the vastness of our inner world, and to connect with something greater than ourselves. Through meditation, we learn to cultivate presence, patience, and compassion. We become more mindful of our thoughts, more aware of our emotions, and more attuned to the world around us. As we have seen, the roots of meditation stretch back thousands of years, intertwining with the spiritual and philosophical traditions of cultures across the globe. From the ancient Vedic texts to the teachings of the Buddha, from Taoist sages to Christian mystics, meditation has been revered as a powerful tool for awakening the mind and spirit. In the modern world, meditation continues to offer us profound benefits, helping us to reduce stress, improve emotional health, and enhance our overall well-being. But perhaps its greatest gift is the ability to help us reconnect with ourselves. In a world that often pulls us in 1,000 different directions, meditation offers us the stillness and silence we need to come home to ourselves. As the Zen master Ryokan reminds us in his story, the true treasure is not in material possessions, but in the simple, fleeting beauty of the present moment. Whether it's the moonlit night or the breath in our lungs, meditation teaches us to appreciate the wonder of life as it is, here and now. Ultimately, meditation is a reminder that peace, wisdom, and clarity are not found outside of us, but within. It is a journey worth taking, not just for the calm it brings, but for the profound transformation it offers, both for ourselves and for the world around us.